mag-end ang ato today's video, no? Ang table tennis hosted by legends ang TT Love. Okay, Sir Rudy, ari naman si Sir Rudy Sir, message sa para sa mga players nga nag-join.
First of all, pasalamat gigo sa mga players nga nag-join, sa tanan nga participants, kag sa kuan gid sa Bacolod nga organization. Thank you gid for choosing ang legends nga mag-handle sang tournament. So salamat gid. Kag kay Migo Jojo.
Salamat. Thank you Sir Rudy. Okay, sa college, you know, gani, Bea, come here. Siya ni ang gold winner. Bea, ano? Kamusta? Kay ikaw sa mga winner.
Okay lang, I feel good.
Veteran, sir! Congratulations! Message na sa nag-sponsor.
Paano mo ginlook, coach? Ano ka ba look mo?
Salamat sa organizer. Salamat sa organizer. Sa tanan nga nagpuylog sang tournament. Kag ang nag-champion kag naperde.
Better luck.
Better luck next time.
Alright. Ikaw ang nag-gold subong.
Okay lang ko.
Ano ka category?
High school boys.
Sa high school.
High school boys.
Okay. Kung din kaya, ano nga school kayo?
San Enrique Polytechnic.
Bukuro layo po ulit.
San Enrique.
Okay, so congratulations ha.
Thank you.
Okay lang.
Kapoy.
Di kaya kiskala?
Sa Talisay, RBL.
First name?
Kyra.
Alright, congratulations. Ikaw nag-gold subong.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wala na mayayari pa kita. Taga San Carlos kaya, no? Okay, sir, first name?
Denise. Cheryl Denise. Cheryl Denise. Cheryl Denise Arsha po.
Okay, sir, yung message sa nagtambo,
Yes, for those who joined, participated, thank you for your patience and also for your understanding. It was really thrilling. It was also fun. Most especially, we gained more friends, you know, and some parts are far away. We have participants from Iloilo who made friends. We also have participants who came from UAE. Just a few more. I think he just went out or something. But it was really an exciting game. And once again, we also like to thank you, Ayala, Capital Central. We'd like to thank them. And the Bacolod organization. We like to thank you. Coming from Legends TT Lab. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Okay, guys, see you next event, and thank you for watching. God bless us all. Peace.